What if I told you someone could replace you faster than your phone replaces old photos with new memes? Yeah, that uncomfortable feeling you just had? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Have you ever noticed how one day you feel important? At work, in a group, in someone's life. And the next day, it's like you never existed? Someone else shows up, and boom, your seat feels slightly warmer, like it was already taken. Let's talk about why being replaced hurts, why it happens, and most importantly, how to stop feeling replaceable without turning into a robot or a people pleaser. First, here's the brutal truth. Humans replace roles, not people. Your brain hates hearing that, but it's true. At work, you're not Raj who loves chai. You're the guy who submits reports on time. So if someone else submits reports faster and brings snacks, congratulations. Raj just got emotionally downsized. Our brain is wired to think, if I'm replaced, I must be worthless. But that's not logic. That's ego talking after getting punched in the face. Here's the psychology part. Humans are lazy decision makers. We don't deeply analyze people every time. We simplify. Your brain puts people into mental folders like useful, entertaining, reliable, temporary. And if you don't stand out in at least one folder, your brain quietly marks you as easily replaceable. Ouch. I know. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a friend who only messages when they need help. You help every time. No questions asked. Now suddenly you're busy once, and they disappear forever. Did they stop liking you? No. They just replaced the function you served. That's not friendship psychology. That's convenience psychology. Another reason people get replaced easily is predictability. Now don't get me wrong, being consistent is good. Being boring consistent is not. If people know exactly how you'll react every single time, your presence stops feeling special. It's like eating the same food every day. Even pizza gets boring after day 5. And that says a lot because pizza is legendary. People value emotional contrast, surprise, depth, opinions, boundaries, which brings us to a dangerous habit: over-availability. If you're always there, always agreeing, always replying in 0.3 seconds, your value drops silently. Why? Because the brain respects what has limits. Think about it. Nobody brags about free Wi-Fi. But slow Wi-Fi? Everyone complains. Scarcity creates importance. Now let's talk about the biggest myth. Being nice will make people keep me. Nope. Being real makes people keep you. People remember how you made them think, how you made them feel, how you challenged them. They don't remember someone who just nodded like a dashboard toy. Here's the turning point. Being irreplaceable doesn't mean being perfect. It means being distinct. Your perspective, your humor, your way of seeing things. Stop trying to be useful to everyone. Start being valuable to the right people. Because the truth is, everyone is replaceable in the wrong place, and almost no one is replaceable in the right one. So if you've ever felt easily replaced, don't ask, "What's wrong with me?" Ask this instead: where am I trying to belong by shrinking myself? That question changes everything. And remember, if someone replaces you easily, they didn't lose you. They lost access. And trust me, access is expensive once it's gone. If this hit a little too close to home, good. That means you're growing. And growth? Yeah, that's one thing that's very hard to replace.